Alright, guys, welcome back to the Western New York weather. So today we're going to start with satellite imagery. We have no clouds. Nothing. Maybe a few upper atmosphere clouds. We got some thunderstorms over here. This actually went severe thunderstormed. If we go to radar, it's loading. There's nothing in the air to worry about. This is all radar gunk. We got some 83 temperature readings, 83s, lower 80s, upper 70s, 83, 81, 73. Yep. As you go more southern, you're like Chautauqua and Cattaraugus counties. It's gonna get a little cooler. Um, Lows in the 50s. Maybe you got some 60 readings. You got a marginal, just general thunderstorm threat today over northern New York. Um, let's see. Here we go. Looking at the Buffalo Weather Service office, no watches, warnings, or advisories for most of the Buffalo office. Looking at the weather story, it's mainly dry and pleasant, maybe a lake effect storm southern, not southern, but east of Lake Ontario. And if that, it's like 60, not 16, like 16 to like 20, some 11% readings. There is nothing coming up until the next 2 days. Oh, this is great, but you got severe thunderstorm risk, which includes Chautauqua County, which is a marginal risk that we'll be talking about a little bit later. Lightning risk, rainfall risk, rain hazard. Yeah, it looks like there's some more rain coming through, which we will see later today in the warnings and advisories and forecasts. Storm prediction issued a marginal risk. This may be upgraded to slight, given it's a day 3 outlook, and it's massive. Covers some states, over portions of the Great Lakes and Tennessee Valley, potentially Ozarks Central. Um, we could see some action, still marginal. It could be upgraded. We get some flooding rains coming too. We'll look later. It's pretty much just low, just producing severe and heavy rain, severe thunderstorms and heavy rain. Yeah, it CMWF agrees with that. GFS, so it's this low that's gonna come down this way or this way. You can see this low comes down, produces thunderstorms, heavy rain, maybe some severe. Yeah. Also, GFS agrees. We could we can also look at the jet stream too. Um, Same low around that 1,000 millibar mark, and it's just producing some heavier rain and some thunderstorms. I could see a scan to the marginal, even a slight risk could be issued for severe weather. CSC, let's see, we got the high pressure blocking. Then, yeah, like this could produce some severe weather action and some heavy rain action with this new system. Icon, modern in progress, but it's in the next. That will, yeah. That's all I really need. Is this low making thunderstorms and heavier rain. Let's look. Let's see. Is this what I want? Yeah. Looking at you can see when this low comes over, produce some nice upper level winds could support from some severe action. Yeah, it's not gonna be strong, but this looks like in the like right here, it's producing 20, 25. That can get upgraded. Some of these could produce some nice sell action. Yeah, 25, 30. Um, CMC, the same system. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit weaker, but like there's some spots that peaking up to that 30, 40 range that could produce some nice severe thunderstorms, even a tornado possible. I wouldn't rule out. Um, let's see. Still some spikes. It's not too bad. If it goes up to 30, 35, I'll be a little more concerned, but it's not nothing too big. If we go to CMWF, let's look at the Cape. Let's look at the Cape. Cape or all potential energy in the air. And next, yeah, you have some spikes. It's around this 600 to 1,000 millibar. I mean, kilogram joules per kilogram in this area, but I mean, actually, that's producing some higher. Knowing this is GFS, but this is producing some higher potential Cape energy. Sounding 2358. That's pretty good. I mean, this wind. You can see there's some stronger mid-level winds here by the wind here. It's gonna be warm. It's gonna be moist. I don't see any issues for a severe weather outbreak, and we're in the yeah. It's pretty good actually. It's not good how graph, but can't have everything. Weather Prediction Center. Actually, let's just go use this. National Forecast Office. We got high blocking. We get this dry line, but no thunderstorms because of the high pressure. No severe. Nothing here. Nothing interesting. Maybe some rain. I think this could produce some severe weather. I would like to watch this. It's not much rain. I mean, day 3 in 3 days. You could see some heavier rains, inch maybe in the quarter. The day 1 through 3, it's still inch a quarter. 7-day totals are around that 2-inch mark. Excessive rainfall.